Okay, let's read story of Nature Cat. Nature Cat? What? But adventures. We go exploring adventures. Well, I've had some Miss Eric. Wanna like the story? I guess in Myfan2017. The best characters? No, animals character. Be quiet. Now read the story. That's final. Okay. Good. Let's read the continue. Okay, guys. We're going to the adventure. You're gonna be the rocket power, the lion guard, super roll monkey T hyper for go, jump star, the Mr. Man show, and mini shows. What? I don't know. What is it? Where are we going? We're going to Nature Cat Explore. Wow! Nature Cat Explore? I can't wait. Okay, guys, let's teleport. Yay! Let's go Nature Cat. Yay! Okay, we're here. The adventures. Oh, it's here. Welcome to the Nature Adventure. What do you like? I like to go to the camp. Okay, tell me. Oh, here we go. Sway. Oh, baby. Oh yeah. Let's go. The adventures. Oh, quiet. Sway but two. Heavy ho. We're here. The adventure. Oh, wow. This cool ever. Oh my god. This flower's good. Hey, you're good. Wow, we're gonna. I gotta. Oh, don't worry, Em. We're gonna help them together. And need to do everywhere. Oh, quiet, adventures. I'm going to waterfall. Okay, here it goes. Hey, you're gonna fail, huh? Rich, are you okay? Yes, I am. Daddy, hello. We hear the fruit ninja. Wow, this fruit ninja is good. Great. Let's do it. Yeah. Me too. Yeah. Yeah. You guys hear that? Oh my god! Oh, no, man. I can't believe a red and blue. OMG. Blue and red. That was the fruit is good. Bye everybody. See you on the exploring. Bye Nature Cat, Hell, Stacy, and Squeak. Bye everyone. Bye. Bye everyone. 3, 2, 1. Splash stop. And that's the end of my Myfan2017 Nature Cat. Oh, I like this story. Do you like it? Yes, I like this. Me too. Hey guys. Okay, animals. It's time to go sleep. Bye, animals. Bye. Good night. Good night, animal. Good night.